You're still using the starter weapon? Go visit Tolkien, man. Expand your horizons, fuck.
It's not fair. Elves should be able to regenerate near trees. You'll just have to try. I made a binder to keep here. Take a look. Come by anytime.
Behold, the land of Zaron.
Here, take a look. Never hurts to know the rules. Check out our wares! Hey, you've got some of those platinum pieces, right? We'll sell you some extra special stuff for them. We've got clothes! You're starting to get into PP, huh? Platinum pieces? PP is special currency you'll get for completing Infernal Pact. You'll come back when you don't want to look like your mom dressed you anymore. We'll be here.
Hey, I heard you want to try out some new hardware. Well, I've got weapons aplenty. Step into the armory. I'm sure I have at least one new thing for you to take out into the field. I've got a ranged weapon for you to try. Here, try a wizard staff on for size. Select the staff to equip it.
Not as good as mine, but it'll do.
You'll find all sorts of new weapons and powers in your travels. Come and visit whenever you want to switch things up. Balanced. You gotta know when to shield and when to slash. Great stuff. Feel free to come back anytime.
Need some new threads? The new kids are totally OP. We'll make a note of it, but for now, that's the rule.
Let's pick who you're gonna brutalize today. Time to set a battle plan. Behold, the land of Zaron. Let's pick who you're gonna brutalize today. Hey, new kid, don't forget to take a crap once in a while. You don't want to be fighting on the battlefield and have to take a crap. After Kyle's embarrassing defeat, the High Druid revealed that Stan had cast a banned endless winter spell. Magic far beyond his primitive mind. He must be stopped. This is Marshwalker territory, Cartman. You don't belong here. Fuck you. I'm the Grand Wizard. I belong everywhere. We'll see about that. You're goddamn right we're gonna see about it!
Now, my lords, let's keep this civil.
Keep it civil? What about this asshole? There's a rumor he's using banned spells. I'm the wizard. I'm the only one that gets to use banned spells. Why don't you and I just settle this now, Cartman? One-on-one. Whoever wins gets to decide the rules, forever.
Enough! We ought to lay out the grand rules so we can get started. So go ahead and lay out your cards.
Your rules are broken, Cartman. Everyone will be happier when we're playing by my rules. You're the one whipping out the banned spells. Pick your cards.
Okay, lay down your cards.
Okay, ready? Oh, item! And some upgrade cards. You think you can stop us with that? Not a chance. Oh yeah, that's good. Vampire Call! Scorched Earth! Fiery weapons! European style! Oh, lame. These are the tools of our rage! What the fuck? A +10 axe? You can't do that! Yes, I can, dude. I forged it by completing a quest. It's totally legal. Ask Butters.
Gee, I don't know. Let me ask Damage Grab. Damage Grab, is a plus 10 axe legal?
Sure, why not?
The Damage Scribe has spoken. Stan's axe is legal.
So, we're still gonna beat the shit out of you. Ask Kyle how my plus 10 wizard balls taste, because you're next. Whatever, see you on the front line, Cartman. Damn right I'll see you there. On the front line. Son of a bitch. Okay, so obviously I can't be on the front of the line, but I'll be in the back casting spells and doing wizard shit to keep you all safe.
Bruh. What? No! Eek. Bye-bye. You got me. A small marshwalker tribe ambushes you. Fight your way out! Ah! That's it. I'm dead. Can I have a do-over?
This will hurt. That sucks.
Ouch! Ah!
new kids here.
I don't know, your team like craps bombs for a few minutes. Still cooler than your card.
I'm hit! Ow! Nuh-uh. No! Damn it! No, you got me! Oh no! Nope. Lost it! You dare! Ow! Oh no! Not the bow. Ouch! Rejected! Oh, fudge. You dare? Ah! No, not my shield! Ugh. Ow! Nope. Oh, nuts. Ugh. Give up? Ugh. They got a totem up.
Player one, you okay now? I'm worried.
Oh, no! Ow! Ah! Aw, nuts! Ah! 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 Ouch! There's blood everywhere. Ow, what? Ah! That's stupid. Ow! They got me. Dare?
Oh, great job, new kid. Gather your spoils of victory and get going.
Gaze upon your options. I've had my eye on that one myself. I bid thee farewell. My bard costume wasn't built for this weather. Find Stan and smash his army, and then kick him in the bows if you can. Hey, over here! Your army won't help you, Cartman! You're gonna die today! What did you say? I said, you're gonna die today! Screw you, you're gonna die! What? I said, screw you, you're gonna... Never mind! Let's just fucking go! Whatever, let's just fucking go! That's what I said, let's fucking go! Fuck, fuck, fuck! Ha! The new kids are dead! No! No they're not! They're only mostly dead! I can use my wizard powers to bring them back to life! Oh yeah, your axe gave them, dysentery! Dysentery only does 99 damage. They each have 1 hit point left. That's not fair! Hey, I don't make the rules. Actually, I kinda do. Ah! Butters, what the hell? What the fuck kind of quest did Stan do to get that axe?
It says here, he passed several tests of strength to collect files of a mysterious gooey stuff, and then used the goo to forge an axe of unimaginable strength. Pretty cool, huh?
This isn't fair, Butters. You have to figure something out so I can beat Stan.
Well, there is an official anything you can do, I can do too clause in the rulebook, so technically, you can do the same quest Stan did and get his secret power.
Oh, good. Do that, new kid. Finish the quest, get powered up, and stop embarrassing me. I cast a spell, your health is back to 100. Get the fuck up. God, I have to do everything around here. Good luck. You're gonna need it. Da da da.
Dun dun dun. Well, don't scare the new fellas. Be nice to them.
You don't let me have any fun.
No fun is better than me.
Remember that Stan has that bullshit axe now. Touch the ground and you die like lava.
They took cover in that snow. I'm hit!
They're douchebags with arrows that shouldn't be hard.
Ah.
0 damage to neutral party, but you might get a nosebleed.
Oh! Eek. Too rough. Ouch. I'm dead. Ah! You should see yourself. I see him. Ow!
Oh, player one. They almost had you.
Oh no! No! Aw, nuts! Got him in my sight. Oh, nuts! Ouch! I thought it would feel different. Here they come. Damn it!
Shit, the next roof is too high, and that catapult has a lock on it. We'll have to fight to move forward.
That tickles. I'm tossing it! Eat. Bye-bye. Fragile cargo, man. Brr. Out. Ow. Suck on this. Can I have a do-over?
Poor player one. Douse that fire in some deep snow.
What? Eek. Ow.
Stay with player one.
Ow. I'm dead. Death from above. Haha. Ow. This will hurt. Quit it.
Player one, all better now?
Ow, really?
Okay, unlock that catapult and let's keep going.
I'm not having fun anymore. I'm dead.
Great, keep moving across the rooftops. What did they fucking broke the catapult? We need that to get across.
Well, actually, Eric, I think that there was a trebuchet.
Actually, I think you should shut the fuck up, Butters. New kid, go look for anything stretchy you can find. We'll need to make a new catapult flinger.
Don't think so. Ow! Nuh-uh. No!
Yes, new kid, that's perfect. Keep looking around for more used contents. We'll just need a few more to fix the catapult.
Yeah! Fuck!
No!
Why?
Ah!
Ow!
I...
Kia! Taking out their feet.
Oh!
Fuck!
Oh, yeah! Better luck next time. No!
You suck.
Ugh!
Gonna just let your buddy get smothered, huh? That's pretty cold.
We're just playing. Ah. Ooh, I'm hit! Shit! Aim for their feet! You'll pay for that! You'll pay for that! Ow! Big swing! That was a bad choice, Forthy. I will smash your knees! Impossible! Ugh. Ugh. Damn it! Oh, fudge. Ah!
Attack! You're going down.
Bringing the pain! Hey!
Ugh! Gonna...
Eat this! Ah!
Why? Going for their knees. Ow! Ugh! This tank could blow. Yes. Haha! Stop it! Ow, that sucks.
Rejected! Ah! Not the bow. Ow, what? Oh no! Oh, fudge. Remember me!
Looks kind of juicy, but whatever, as long as it stretches. Just one more should do it.
Ha! You're a poop face now.
Hey, save your teammate, asshole!
No!
come down and fight fair.
Suck on this. Gonna break your knees, Fourthy. Wah! Yeah! I'm cut bad. Ugh! Taking out their feet. Ha!
Aye.
Rah! Ow! Ow!
No.
Fuck!
That should be enough to repair the catapult. Come on back, new kid.
Ha! You're a poop face. Oh, fudge. Ow!
You fixed the catapult, sweet.
Screw this.
That stupid doll won't help you. Wah! Gonna break your knees, Fourthy. Ugh!
Oh no! Ow!
Try again, Fourthy. Ow!
Not the bow. Ugh, I'm hit. You dare?
Ow! Going for their knees. Taking out their feet. Rah! Fuck!
Don't think so. Ah!
Ha! Wah!
Ouch! I don't think so.
Gonna break your knee, Fourthy.
No, not my shield.
Grr. Ow!
Ah!
Impossible!
Blocked it.
Oh, player one. That was close.
No. Oh. Ow. Ugh. Oh, fudge.
Marchwalkers, I call upon you for reinforcements.
Oh, nuts. Yeesh. Ah!
Going for their knees. Ugh.
I'm just doing my job. Nope. Missed. Keep trying.
Ha!
Look at that loser. Ha!
Taking out their feet.
I don't think so.
What the fuck is that thing? Fuck! Gonna break your knees, Fourthy.
They're here.
Ugh! Try again, Fourthy. Ugh. Going for their knees.
Ow. Wow.
Ow!
Damn it.
Yeah! Wah! I see you.
Ow. What? Ow. No, you got me. Nuh-uh.
Ugh! Gonna break your knees, Fourthy.
Ouch.
Ow!
Deny.
Fuck! Ugh! You suck.
Ow. I couldn't block it. Oh, no.
New kid, jump down and find Jimmy.
I can't.
That was quite the detour. Ready for an upgrade? Excellent selection. Good luck out there.
This is getting boring.
Looks like you've stumbled right into a Marshwalker ambush. Go get him.
Blocked it! Ouch! Ah! Rah. That's stupid. Eek. Grr. No! This will quit it! Owie.
Player one, all better now?
Bye. Hey! Okay, I'm down.
Kid's tank can blow.
Rah! Oh, I'm hit! Ow!
Attack! Ha!
Ugh.
Ha ha!
Ow! Ugh. Ah! Ow!
You can't keep running into arrows and stay alive, dumbass.
Ah! They got me! Eat too rough. Fragile cargo, man! Yes, I'm slain! Ow! Ow! I'm dead. Oh! Owie. Ooh. Out. Whack. Rejected. Oh, nuts. Ooh. Ah, I'm dead. Ow. Grr. Too rough. I couldn't block it. Eek. I don't think so. Hey! There they are! Quit it! I'm invincible, silly! Fragile car death from above! They've got cheesy puffs? I'm strong. I'm tossing it! Quit it! Ow, really?
Damn it!
Hey!
Stop it!
Incoming! Ah, yes, I'm slain!
Ow! Damn it!
Nope.
Her!
Grr. Grr.
You made it, new kid. Get going.
Hello, brave warrior. See anything you like? Choice paralysis? Completely understandable. That's the one? Great. Try not to die, that would be embarrassing. Stan is gonna super regret meeting with us. He has no idea.
E. Damn it.
They've already built fortifications. Fucking Stan didn't even wait for the trial.
Oh, player one. They almost had you.
Too rough. Oh, I'm hit. That tickles. Brr. Eek. Out. Out. That hurt.
Ah, player one. While you're down there, would you like a juice box?
Ow. I thought it would feel different. No fun.
Kia! Wah!
Ow! I like cheese. Look at that loser. Ha! Nope. No, you got me.
Ugh!
Dare. Hi-ya.
Ow!
Rejected.
Wah!
Mushroom cookbook. Oh, nuts. Dare. Don't think so. Ah! That's stupid. Ha!
Player one, they're still enemies, new kid. You gotta beat them first. Oh, player one. The rules say you gotta finish combat before using
Wait, catapults? When did Butters approve siege machines? Marshwalkers never back down. Destroy them!
Rawr. I'm dead. Ow. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, I'm hit. Grr. Damn it. No. Not the bow.
Our shamans curse you with dire trots. You shit out bombs now.
Oh, nuts. We're just playing. Ah. Ow. Thanks. I needed a break. Ow. Oh. Eek. Bye-bye.
Damn it!
Ugh. Quack. I'm strong. Ooh. Ow.
Stop it! Yes, I'm dead.
Quack. I'm dead. Eesh. Too rough. Give up?
We need reinforcements! Marshwalkers, assemble!
Yeah. That was a bad choice, Forthy.
I'm here, so come on. Do not look me directly in the eyes. Oh yeah, that's powerful. Thank your guides for this moment of rest, new kid.
Let's get you an upgrade for the upcoming epic battle. Fantastic. Good luck with the rest of your journey. New kid, you're no match for my Marshwalker powers. So I'm just gonna have my friend Kenny kick your ass. All right, new kid, take out Princess Kenny. Don't let her kiss you, or you're totally gonna be pussy whipped. Oh, shit. Princess Kenny is working with Stan. Uh-oh. That charming son of a bitch is gonna try and stop us with her big titties and her sultry kisses. I'm out of here. We'll take on any foe, no matter what size.
Player one, you okay now? We're in.
Are Princess Kenny's boobs still magnificent?
Oh, player one, all better now? Player one? Oh, you're bleeding. You'll keep taking damage unless you heal.
single glance from the princess can bring a warrior to his knees. Even in death, she is beautiful.
Golly, Clear One. You picked up a bunch of dark matter. High five, Eddie.
Oh good, you're not dead. Princess Kenny didn't crush you with her humongous breasts.